So it's April 8th, and the progress, it's really looking well, these leaves. So yeah, we're really happy about that. We're gonna go down there and check on that tree. So yeah, I'm really happy with what's happening here. These have a lot of progress done now. And these ones are actually a little delayed, but if you look at them, they're actually soon gonna fall and turn into leaves, which is really good. So yeah, we have even bigger news than last time up there. So let's look at what it's gonna look like. Let's go down by the woods and see the greenery. There's actually a river down there. We might explore it in a few episodes. I don't want to explore it too late because then the leaves are going to block out our path. We don't like that. But the woods is looking a lot more green now. Let's go down to here. See all that? Everything's growing, that tree starting, everything's starting, and yeah, so this is just what's going to be happening for the next few weeks until we reach maximum leafery. So on the ground, they are starting to fall to the ground. So leaves are coming soon, definitely. They're all over the ground. So now we could finally look up by the mailbox and look at the flowers. These are the neighbor's daffodils. There they are. So yeah, they look nice. Finally, we go by the mailbox. Look at the flower. The flower behind it too is growing. It's so nice. Then we have this tulip. We have this tulip that looks like it might be a red one. And then we have this right there. I think that one's orange. And that one's yellow. Then we have our daffodils over here. I don't think they're daffodils, honestly. They look like daffodils. Thank you all so much for watching, and stay tuned and subscribe. We're gonna do another checkup on April 10th because there's a lot of progress going on now. So yeah, bye.